everyone, welcome back to Athiyya's baking demonstration. Today I would like to show you on how to make a New York cheesecake. But before we start it, I would like to thank to all participants who came here to do the demonstration with me, Athiyya Nahda Ramadhani. So without further ado, let's get started.
First, the oven is preheated to 160 degrees Celsius. For the ingredients, here we have 80 grams of biscuits, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 75 grams of caster sugar, 27 grams of melted butter, 3 eggs, 262 grams of cream cheese, 150 grams of whipping cream, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and a half of teaspoon vanilla extract. For the next steps, the biscuits are placed in a blender and crushed to a fine crumbs. The melted butter is added to the biscuit crumbs and it is stirred to combine. Next, the crumbs mix is placed in the base of cake tin that has been lined with baking paper in an even layer, then flattened. Move to the cheesecake batter. First, the cream cheese is softened with rubber spatula. Next, the whipping cream is added and it is stirred to combine with balloon whisk. Next, the sugar is added and beaten again until smooth. After that, the eggs are added gradually, between each addition is beaten well. After that, the lemon juice and vanilla extract are added together. Lastly, the cornstarch is added and it is stirred until combined. Move to the next step. The batter is poured into the biscuit base using a sieve to make sure that there are no lumps. Here, the oil bain-marie technique is used, so the water is heated first in the oven for 15 minutes. Then, the cheesecake batter is baked in the oven for 45 minutes. The cheesecake should be just set with a wobble and should still be cream on top with just a slight golden hint around the edges. Once the cheesecake is cooked, the oven is turned off and the door is propped open so that it is slightly ajar and it is left to cool in the oven for several minutes. Once the oven is cooled, the cheesecake is removed to cool completely on the outside. Once the tin is removed, the cheesecake is cut in an individual slice and placed in a dessert plate. And for garnish, here the strawberry compote is used on the top of cheesecake, but you could also use any kind of tropical fruit compote or jam to make it prettier and interesting. Voila! The New York cheesecake with strawberry compote is ready to eat. That's all for today's demonstration. I hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to like and comment down below if you have any question or suggestion for the next demonstration. Then I'll see you soon. Bye bye!